रेस्ट ही तो है भाई. Very good morning to all of you. This is Vipul, and let's continue with our unit graphs and trees. Now, today we will start uh, session with the definition of walk. What we mean by walk. Walk is actually the alternating sequence of vertices and edges. Okay, walk is defined as a finite, mark that, finite, it should be finite alternating sequence of vertices and edges, beginning and ending with the vertex. In a walk, we cannot repeat any edge. No edge appears more than once in a walk. If we are going to list out one of the walk for a graph, then we cannot repeat any edge. Whether we may repeat vertices, is it? A vertex, however, may appear more than once. So vertex repeat हो सकती है. We cannot repeat an edge in a walk. What is walk? Walk is actually a alternating sequence of vertices and edges. जो स्टार्ट होनी चाहिए वर्टेक्स से, खत्म भी होनी चाहिए वर्टेक्स पे. सपोज लेट मी गिव यू वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल. लेंथ की बात बाद में करता हूँ. सपोज दिस इज अ सिंपल ग्राफ. Let me label my vertices. Suppose this is vertex A, B, C, and D, and let me label my edges. That is, suppose this particular edge is E1, E2, E3, and E4. Now, if I'm going to list out one of the path like this, one of the walk like this, A, E1, B, that means I'm moving along with this particular edge. A, E1, B, B, E2, C like this, B, E2, C, and C, E4D, E4D. Now, this is one of the walk through this particular graph, is it? So, walk is nothing but the alternating sequence of vertices and edges. We should take care that it should started with vertex and with the vertex even. Okay, but the important part is that you cannot repeat an edge in a walk. देखिए E1, E2, E3, I'm not repeating an edge, any of the edge. Suppose instead of dealing with this, suppose I'm writing one of the walk like that: A, E1, B, E2, C, E3, A. That means I'm moving along this, second this, and third one is this. Is it? I started from A, I have ended that particular with A. So we will be labeling this particular walk as a closed walk. But what was the important part? We cannot repeat an edge. We may repeat vertices. Okay. Now, if we talk on the length of walk, then the length of walk is actually the number of edges included in that particular. The length of walk is number of edges in it. कितनी एजेस हमने यूज की है उसके अंदर. That particular is known as a walk. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Sorry for the disturbance. Now, if we talk about the length of a walk, then it is number of edges we are going to include in it. Okay, a walk is closed. We can say that a walk is closed if it's starting and ending vertex are same. Is it? अगर starting ending both the vertices are same and we are not repeating any other vertex than that, or we are not repeating any of the edge, then such kind of walk is known as a closed walk. is it? जो लास्ट हमने लिखा था वो ग्राफ के ऊपर जो मैंने लास्ट वॉक जो डिफाइन की थी उसके स्टार्टिंग वर्टेक्स ए था, एंडिंग वर्टेक्स भी ए था. So that we may consider that as a closed walk, is it? So let me give you one of the example. Suppose consider this particular as your graph. In this graph, we are having vertices A, B, C, D, and E. If we talk about the vertex set, then the vertex set of this graph is A, B, C, D, and E. We are having 5 vertices in this graph. Now, similarly, the edge set will consist E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E2, E7, and here we are having one of the self loop even. So, edge set is E1, E2 up to E8, is it? Now, let's identify some of the walk over there. Suppose both this will be considered as a walk for this particular graph. Observe this first one. A, E1B, E2C, E3D, E4E. Now what is this? This is the alternating sequence of vertices and edges. Observe, this is vertex, this is edge, vertex, edge, vertex, edge, vertex, edge, vertex, edge, vertex. Is it? It should be started from the vertex and it should be ended with the vertices. So both the terminal vertices must be vertex, both the terminal nodes must be vertices. Okay. And if we want to trace this particular walk, then A will be here, A even B, then after B, E to C, I'm moving along this edge, then E3D, DE4, not this, DE4E, is it? Observe this. This is one of the walk. This is one of the walk. As simple as that. I started from vertex A, I'm ending that particular walk at vertex E, is it? None of the edge is repeated. None of the edge is repeated over there. You may repeat the vertices, but you cannot repeat an edge. Suppose if I wish to continue with this particular walk, E, E5B, suppose I am E, E5B, then observe B, then after E, B, E6, D, B, E6, D. So this is also a valid walk, which when I was started from vertex A and ended my walk at vertex D. But observe, none of the edge is repeated over there. But yes, if you observe, then B दो बार आ रहे देखिए. Is it? Here it is. So it is a valid example, one of the valid example of walk. Similarly, you may consider this as a walk. E8, E. Observe, I'm starting from E. Let me erase some of the ink from the graph. Yes. Now focus on the second one. Second example, where we are dealing with the loop even. Okay. Let me pick my pen. E8E. What is this? This is I'm starting from this particular vertex, moving along this particular self loop, then E4, E4D, moving along this edge, E6B over there, E1A over there. That's it. So E से start किया, A पे खत्म किया. This is also one of the valid walk because we are not repeated any of the age. Is it? That was the primary condition for the walk. Now, let me give you one of the example of close walk, and before that, can you give me the reason? Okay, वो लिखा ही है मैंने यहाँ पे, मैं पूछ नहीं पाऊंगा आपसे. देखिए ये this particular alternating sequence of vertices and edges will be not considered as a walk. Why? Because in that particular walk I had included edge even twice. Observe here, even. If any of the edge is repeating over there, then that particular alternating sequence will be not considered as a walk. So this will not consider as a walk, is it? And this is one of the example of close walk. Hopefully you guys are good with this now. देख लीजिए एक बार. मेघना, प्रांजुल, am I audible properly? साथ में हो और कोई? राज?
Yes, sir.
ऋषभ? You are present. Okay, 39. Good. Are we good with this? Drop a message.
Yes, sir.
Acknowledge on the chat box right now. All those who are attending this session will acknowledge on the chat box whether he or she is comfortable with this or not. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? हम जाई है नहीं हम जा तू बोलो. Good. કોઈ મોટું rocket science નથી, બહુ simple topic છે આ બધા. Okay, let me move ahead. Path. Now we define walk. Now let's go for path. A open walk in which no vertex appears more than once is called path. Open walk, when we know, we can say a walk is closed if both the terminal vertices are same. And if both the terminal vertices are different, then surely that walk will be considered as an open walk. So in an open walk, which no vertex appears more than once, already, if we are talking about walk, then there is a restriction on repetition of age. Now, we are putting a restriction over vertices even, is it? In open walk, no vertex appears more than once, means कि हम vertex भी repeat ना करें, then such kind of open walk will be known as a path. Is it? The number of edges in path, whole length of path, similar kind of concept. जैसे कि हमने walk के लिए length decide की थी, उसी तरीके से इसके लिए भी length decide कर सकते हैं. We can yes, a self loop can be included in walk, but not in the path. We can include self loop in walk क्योंकि walk में vertex repeat करने की सहूलियत थी, path में नहीं है. So we cannot include any self loop if we are list out a path. Okay, देख लीजिए, giving it 2 minutes, समझ में आ ही जाएगा. Giving it 2 minutes, go through it. Are we good? Are we good? Are we good? Is it? This is the example of path, but we cannot say both these are path. Is it? Reason पता चल गया होगा. Here we are repeating in the second example we are repeating E over there. So E दो बार आ रहा है. And path में we had said that no vertex can be appear twice. Is it? Here B is there. Is it? दो बार आ रहा है, so it cannot be considered as a path. Take to ahead. Circuit. अब आप ही डिफाइन करो सर्किट क्या होगी. कोई एक प्रांजुल, राज, पांडे जी, मेघना, भारती, मानसी, निकिता.
सर जिसमें
हाँ बोल
स्टार्टिंग वर्टेक्स और एंडिंग वर्टेक्स एक ही होगा वो सर्किट.
स्टार्टिंग एंड एंडिंग वर्टेक्स एक ही होना चाहिए वो सर्किट. इज इट? हाँ वो तो ठीक है, तो उसको तो हम क्लोज वॉक भी बोल सकते हैं ना.
नहीं सर उसमें यस सर.
हाँ मानी कि you wanna say that closed walk is a circuit, is it? A closed walk in which no vertex appears more than once is a circuit. Yes, you are correct. Except the initial and final vertices, because we are dealing with the closed walk, so surely its initial vertex and terminal vertex will be same, is it? No? But except that vertices, none of the vertex must be repeated. Then such kind of closed walk will be considered as a circuit. बहुत ही आसान है सर्किट वाली बात. यहाँ पे कोई एक सर्किट मुझे आइडेंटिफाई करके दिखा सकते हैं? Can you give me one of the circuit? Yes, please. List out one of the circuit. We are having so many circuits in this particular graph. काफी सारी circuits है यहाँ पे. अगर आप देखें A to E, E to B, B to E, B to A. That is one of the circuit. A,
B to C,
E7E, E5B, E1A. Is it? Observe. Close that. And rest of all the conditions are satisfied. So this is a kind of closed walk. So this is a circuit. This is a circuit. Is it? We are not having any condition over that we ऐसी कोई condition नहीं है कि we need to include all the vertices. Okay, take care for that. Here the condition is not like that कि we need to include all the vertices. सारी vertex cover करनी है ऐसी बात नहीं है, ठीक है? अगर ऐसी बात होगी ना तब हम जाएंगे spanning tree में, spanning graph के ऊपर चले जाएंगे. Is it when we are including all the vertices? पर अभी के लिए this is a circuit. Similarly, you may list out so many different circuits that E, E5B to E2C to E3D, E4E. Is it? This is also one of the circuit because this is a closed walk. Okay. So it's fine. You may go through it. Circuit या तो फिर we may label it as a cycle. हाँ, उसको cycle भी बोल सकते हैं. Circuit या तो cycle both these are same. Example देने की जरूरत I don't think so है. समझ में आ ही गया होगा. It's fine. Now this is important. This is important. ये बात भी जरूरी है. Every vertex in a circuit is always having degree 2. सर्किट में जितनी भी वर्टेक्स होगी ना उसकी डिग्री 2 ही होगी, तभी तो वो सर्किट का हिस्सा हो सकती है, वरना नहीं हो सकता. वरना नहीं हो सकती. है बहुत ही आसान. Let me take you further. A connected graph and disconnected graph. Now. Based on the using the definition of walk and path, let me give you the definition of connected, disconnected graph. I don't think so I need to discuss it. Just go through it. Surely you will be able to understand when we can say that a graph is connected or it is disconnected. A graph G is said to be connected if there exists at least one path between every pair of vertices in G. Otherwise, it is disconnected. Now, wait. Let me divide this particular into 2 parts. So consider this particular graph as a graph G. This is graph G, and entire this particular, the second half, consider this as a graph H. Is it? Now, you can clearly identify that graph G is a connected graph. Why? एक ही कंपोनेंट है भाई, कोई ऐसा कोई ऐसी आइसोलेटेड वर्टेक्स नहीं है. Is it? नहीं है इसमें कोई एक और पार्ट नहीं है जो कि इससे कनेक्टेड नहीं है. Is it? But mathematically, in with the terms of graph theory, if we want to define that, then we will be having one path, at least one path between any pair of vertices. अगर आप A और C ले लीजिए, कम से कम एक तो path मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. We will be having this path A to B, B to C. This is one of the paths, or you may deal with this A to D, D to C. Is it? Or A to F, F to E, E to D, and D to C. Is it? We are having 3 different paths for which connects A with C. Is it? So अगर कोई भी 2 vertex ले लीजिए, उसके लिए minimum एक path है, then that graph is known as a connected graph. और connected graph, उसको ये definition की जरूरत नहीं है, आप simply देख सकते हैं. देखिए यहाँ पे ये जो ग्राफ है ना, उसके 3 पार्ट है. देखिए, दिस इज वन ऑफ द पार्ट, दिस इज सेकंड पार्ट. इसमें कोई कनेक्शन नहीं. देखिए 1 और 2 के बीच में कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है. दिस इज द थर्ड कंपोनेंट. पार्ट जो मैं बोला उसको हम बोलेंगे कंपोनेंट. This graph is having 3 different components. We are not having any path between J to K, even H to K, even G to K. मुझे पहुंचना है, G से K पहुंचना है, नहीं पहुंच पाऊंगा. If I wish to reach from G to M, I will not able to go for that. H to L नहीं हो सकता. Is it? So this is disconnected graph. This is connected graph. Is it? So definition अगर कोई पूछे तो इस तरीके से define करना है. I'd already shared this particular PPT with all of you, and this is quite common and simplest exercise. You may go through it, so I'm not going to waste much time for that because we are good with the walks, paths, and circuits. ये सारी बात हमको पता है. You are supposed to identify some of the walks from all this as well as path or circuit. ये हो सकता है. You're having this presentation, so I'm not that much worried now. This is important. Euler graph. In a graph G, if it is possible to find a closed walk. Now, when we can say that walk is closed, याद करें. ये चलिए मुझे walk के बारे में कुछ याद करवाइए. What is walk? कौन बताएगा मुझे? Yes, Rishabh, can you unmute yourself? Rishabh, am I audible to you? Rishabh शो गया कि है यहाँ पे? Pranjul, are you there? Pranjul, Raj Panjwani, are you there?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा, वॉक क्या है याद करवा, किसके ऊपर लिमिटेशन थी, वर्टेक्स के ऊपर या एज के ऊपर?
एज के ऊपर थी.
ओके, वी कैन नॉट रिपीट एनी एज. एज रिपीट नहीं कर सकते, वर्टेक्स रिपीट कर सकते हैं.
Yes, sir.
यस, वी कैन रिपीट वर्टेक्स, इज इट? अब इसको ध्यान में रख और go through this. In a graph G, I need to add if it is possible to find a close walk. Now close walk माने कि उसके terminal vertices, initial vertex, terminal vertex, both must be same, is it? If you are able to identify a close walk running through every edge of graph G exactly once, then such walk is known as a Euler line. And such kind of walk, इस तरीके की वॉक को हम नाम देने वाले हैं यूलर लाइन. दैट दिस डेफिनेशन वाज प्रोवाइडेड बाय यूलर. कॉनिग्सबर्ग ब्रिज प्रॉब्लम जो एक बहुत ही वेल नोन और फेमस कंजक्स्टर था, उसका जो सॉल्यूशन यूलर ने दिया था, टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट सॉल्यूशन ही हैड डिफाइंड द यूलर ग्राफ. अब यूलर ग्राफ किसको बोलते हैं? ऐसा ग्राफ की जिसमें यूलर लाइन है. तो डिफाइन करने की बात है कि क्या है Euler line, what is Euler line? So this is the definition of Euler line. A graph, we can say that a graph is having Euler line if it is possible to identify a close walk running through every edge once, exactly once. We cannot repeat any edge. That means याद कीजिए वो ग्राफ क्या था, वो वाला कॉनिग्सबर्ग ब्रिज प्रॉब्लम क्या था, अगर आपको याद है तो it was something like that. जब उसके लिए हमने ग्राफ बनाया था तो कुछ इस तरीके से था. It was looking like that. 4 plus 3, 7 bridges were there and we were having 4 land area. तो प्रॉब्लम क्या था? किसी एक एंड पॉइंट से स्टार्ट करना है, हर एक ब्रिज को एक ही बार क्रॉस करना है, एंड यू आर सपोज टू रीच दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. दैट वाज द प्रॉब्लम कि अगर यहां से स्टार्ट करा, इफ आई एम गोना लेबल दिस पर्टिकुलर वर्टेक्स है, तो आपको यहां से आपको अपनी वॉक स्टार्ट करनी है, हर एक ब्रिज को एक ही बार क्रॉस करना है और वापस आपको ए तक पहुंचना है. क्या ये पॉसिबल है? नहीं है. दैट वाज द कॉनिग्सबर्ग ब्रिज प्रॉब्लम. उसका सॉल्यूशन दिया यूलर ने सॉल्यूशन दिया. वो समझने के लिए कुछ बेसिक बातें जरूरी थी. वो अब वी गाइस आर लोडेड अप टू दैट. यूलर ने बोला था कि दिस इज नॉट ए यूलर ग्राफ. यूलर ग्राफ क्यों नहीं है? क्योंकि इसमें यूलर लाइन नहीं है. तो यूलर लाइन क्या है? दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ यूलर लाइन. नाउ इफ ग्राफ इज हैविंग ए यूलर लाइन, दैट पर्टिकुलर ग्राफ इज नोन एज ए यूलर ग्राफ. A graph that consists of Euler line is called a Euler graph. Okay, let me take you further. Suppose this, there's this ink. Yes. So consider this particular graph. Do you think this graph is Euler graph? लगता है आपको कि Euler graph है? हाँ या ना? You may drop message. You may reply on the chat box even.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is a Euler graph. If you wish to identify a closed walk from vertex A, yes, then we can A to B, B to C, C to A. Over there, we are not repeating any of the vertices, and we are using every edge exactly once. Every edge. You need to mark this also. You need to use every edge exactly once. ये भी एक रिस्ट्रिक्शन ही है. अगर आप देखें तो ये भी एक रिस्ट्रिक्शन ही है. अब तक जो हम बात कर रहे थे उसमें क्या थी बात कि भाई आप एज रिपीट नहीं कर रहे हो, पर वहां पे ऐसा कोई कंडीशन नहीं था कि आपको हर एक एज को यूज करना है, हर एक एज को इंक्लूड करना है. Here we are having that restriction. We need to use each and every edge. Each and every edge must be the part of our walk, and we cannot repeat any of the vertex. This is the difference between the earlier definition and this one. Is it? Yes, it is a Euler graph. जाने दो, वो तो हमने डिस्कस कर लिया. Now, can you tell me whether this particular graph will act as a Euler graph or not? I'm giving you 2 minutes. Just go through it. This graph will be considered as a Euler graph if it consists Euler line. तो आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है क्या ये पॉसिबल है कि कोई एक वर्टेक्स से स्टार्ट करे. आप सपोज इफ यू आर गोना स्टार्ट विद वर्टेक्स ए, then are you in position to list out one of the closed walk like that where you are including each and every edges once and you are not repeating any of the vertex accept it, try it. I'm giving you 2 minutes. I'm giving you 2 minutes. I'm waiting for your reply on the chat box. What is my question? The question is that, do you think this graph will act as a Euler graph? If it is, if it is a Euler graph, then surely it will consist one of the Euler line. तो आपको मुझे Euler line देनी होगी कि क्या है इसके अंदर की कोई एक Euler line. हो सकता है एक से ज्यादा Euler line है, but I just need a single. कौन बोलेगा? यश, ऋषभ, वागाए, पेमा, मेघना, तू भी कभी कभी बोल दिया कर बेटा बीच में. स्मृति, तुषार, श्रीना, गमाड़ा, मैं ऑडिबल तो हूं ना?
सर नहीं होगा.
कौन बोला?
स्मृति सर.
Smriti. Smriti saying this graph is not going to act as a Euler graph. Any other?
Sir, it is going to act as a Euler graph.
यहाँ से यूलर ग्राफ होगा.
चल, कौन बोल रहा है Euler graph होगा? एक तो भवदीप बोला शायद, दूसरा कौन बोला?
Yes, sir. Raj.
Okay. हाँ राज, चल तू लिखवा. If this is a Euler graph, राज बोल रहा है कि this is a Euler graph. ठीक है, कि ये Euler graph है. अगर Euler graph है राज, तो surely इसमें एक Euler line होगी. Do you need a definition of Euler line? Let me take you. What was the definition of Euler line? Okay, sorry. Arre. Okay, yes. In a graph G, if it is possible to find a closed walk running through every edge exactly once, then such walk is called Euler line. हर एक edge include करना है. Then that walk must be closed. You may repeat vertex, but you cannot repeat any edge, and you need to include each and every edge. Okay, you may repeat vertex, it's fine. You may repeat vertex, it's fine, but you cannot repeat any edge. Even you cannot left and you cannot कोई एक edge को छोड़ भी नहीं सकते आप. ठीक है, तो चलिए तू बता बेटा ऐसी कौन सी Euler line है इसमें? Yes.
A-E1B.
A-E1B, good.
Then E2C.
E2C.
फिर
E3D एक ही ऑप्शन है, C से तो E3D.
हाँ E3D.
मैं हाईलाइट भी करता जा रहा हूँ. चल, हम यहाँ से यहाँ गए, यहाँ से यहाँ
नीचे.
हाँ, चल अब ऊपर भी जा सकते हैं, इस तरफ भी, इस तरफ भी.
हाँ सर, जहाँ
Sir, E4E.
E4E करेगा तो कंफ्यूजन होगा. चलते हैं
बी
E4E.
पे वापस चले जाएंगे. E4E.
हाँ, B you may repeat
Sir,
a
we
vertex.
can
Take
use,
care.
sir.
Yes. E6 एक बाकी है. चल आगे बढ़, बराबर है.
Sir, E5B.
E5 देख, D से गया वो E5 E पे,
और
E5 से जा रहा है B पे.
E6D.
E6B.
Then
E6D.
after E6B, E6B,
Yes,
sorry, E6B.
Sir,
And
E7.
फिर E5A. वापस. Yes,
perfect.
तो you-
E7. Now observe, you had included each and every edges. E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7. सारी एज हमने कवर की. स्टार्टिंग वर्टेक्स, एंडिंग वर्टेक्स सेम है. Is it? We are not that much worried कि भाई सर यहाँ तो B रिपीट हो रहा है. So वो तो हमने छूट दे ही रखी है. You may repeat vertex, but you cannot repeat any edge. आप कोई एज नहीं रिपीट कर सकते और कोई एज छोड़ भी नहीं सकते. तो सारी एजेस इंक्लूडेड है, कोई एज रिपीट भी नहीं हो रही है. स्टार्टिंग वर्टेक्स, एंडिंग वर्टेक्स सेम है. बात खत्म. दिस इज अ यूलर लाइन. इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट कि देयर एग्जिस्ट अ यूनिक यूलर लाइन. यहाँ पे और भी एक लाइन है जो कि यूलर लाइन हो सकती है. कोई और ट्राई करना चाहेगा? स्मृति चल, अब तू ट्राई कर बेटा, इससे अलग कुछ. स्मृति पक्का होगा बेटा.
सर, इसी को रिवर्स कर देंगे.
इसको रिवर्स कर सकते हैं. एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट, परफेक्ट.
सर यूलर ग्राफ फाइंड करने के लिए सर उसकी वो कंडीशन भी तो है।
हाँ, उसके ऊपर जाएंगे, पर थोड़ा तो रुक जा भाई, कुछ तो मेरे लिए छोड़ दे। स्मृति, एम आई ऑडिबल टू यू? स्मृति,
यस सर।
चल कोई एक और यूलर लाइन इसके अलावा, इसको रिवर्स नहीं करना है, इसके अलावा और कुछ ट्राई कर, होगा?
सर E5
A E5, A E5 D तक जा रही है, देख।
हाँ E5D।
तो इसमें तो सर इनफाइनाइट वेज, मतलब इनफाइनाइट तो नहीं, मतलब बहुत सारे वेज निकाल सकते हैं।
हाँ, हो सकता है ना, हो सकता है ना।
एक मतलब एक या दो को
देख
आगे
स्मृति,
पीछे
यहाँ
करके
से
बहुत
D
सारे-
जाऊं, B से E जाऊं,
हाँ
E
सर।
से B जाऊं, B से C, C से E,
फिर B से D,
E से
फिर B से A। हाँ
Is it? This
Yes,
is
sir.
also one of the possible way.
यस
So,
सर।
अगर कोई ग्राफ में ऐसे इसी लाइन आप आइडेंटिफाई कर पा रहे हो तो यूलर ग्राफ है। Is it? Simple. This is one of the example of Euler line. Forget about that. वो हमने लिस्ट आउट कर, ये आप करेंगे। देख लीजिए आप एक बार सॉल्यूशन। ये यूलर ग्राफ नहीं है। If you wish to identify
नहीं है।
one of the Euler line, then surely it will be not. That Euler line will not exist. कंडीशन ये है, देखिए यूलर लाइन के लिए बार बार मैं बोल रहा हूं, मैं तीसरी बार बोल रहा हूं अभी, जिस वर्टेक्स से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो इट शुड बी सेम, स्टार्टिंग एंड एंडिंग वर्टेक्स मस्ट बी सेम, एंड you need to include each and every age, but you cannot repeat an age. Is it? Hopefully ये clear है. So this is not gonna act as a Euler graph because इसमें Euler line है ही नहीं. A given connected graph G is an Euler graph if and only if all the vertices of G are of even degree. Take care. This is the result कि जिसके लिए आप देख रहे थे, जिसके लिए आप वेट कर रहे थे. Connected graph G is an Euler graph if and only if all the vertices of G are of even degree. ठीक है? Identify this. If you mark the degree of all the vertices, degree of this vertex, this graph is Euler graph. Is it now? Let's verify that result with this. This graph is Euler graph. The degree of vertex A is 2, degree of vertex B is 4, degree of vertex C is 2, degree of vertex B is 4, degree of vertex E is 2. Is it? अगर सभी की एजेस, सभी की डिग्री इवन नंबर में है तो वो यूलर ग्राफ होगा, हैमिल्टोनियन ग्राफ। ना जिस तरीके से हमने यूलर ग्राफ डिफाइन किया, यूलर ग्राफ की डेफिनेशन क्या दी हमने? सिंपल डेफिनेशन, इफ दैट ग्राफ इंक्लूड्स अ यूलर लाइन देन इट विल बी नोन एज अ यूलर ग्राफ। सिमिलरली हैमिल्टोनियन ग्राफ, अगर उसमें हैमिल्टोनियन पाथ है देन इट विल बी कंसीडर्ड एज अ हैमिल्टोनियन ग्राफ। अब हैमिल्टोनियन पाथ क्या है? A circuit means closed walk, is it? A connected graph G is said to be a circuit in a connected graph. G is said to be Hamiltonian circuit if it includes every vertex of G. If it includes every vertex of G. अब देखिए एक और restriction आ गया है. It should be included every vertex of G. Is it? And I'm talking about circuit. I'm talking about circuit. Is it? Circuit माने कि close walk, पता है हमको. And if graph is having a Hamiltonian circuit, then that particular graph will be known as a Hamiltonian graph. देखिए, can you identify one of the closed circuit which includes every vertex of graph G? हो पाएगा? Let me show you the following graph. And then the following graph, the circuit A, E1, B, E2, C. Let me pick my pen. A, E1, B, E2, C, E3D, E5E, E7E. अब यहां पे रिस्ट्रिक्शन किसके ऊपर नहीं है? बताएंगे मुझे किसके ऊपर रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है? रेस्ट्रिक्शन किसके ऊपर नहीं है, किसके ऊपर है? वर्टेक्स के ऊपर रिपीटेशन है,
सर वर्टेक्स के ऊपर रेस्ट्रिक्शन है, एज के ऊपर नहीं है।
एज के ऊपर रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है। ऑब्जर्व हियर, I had not included in this particular circuit, I had not included E4. E4 is the edge which connects vertex A to D. वो मैंने include नहीं किया हुआ इसमें. I had not even included this particular edge E6 which connects B to E. That is not included. So यहाँ पे सारी edges cover करनी है, ऐसा कोई restriction नहीं है, is it? But the restriction is there with the vertices. We need to include all the vertices and it should be closed. It should be closed. मानी कि starting and ending vertex must be same. Then such kind of circuit is known as Hamiltonian circuit. अगर ग्राफ Hamiltonian circuit है तो वो ग्राफ Hamiltonian ग्राफ कहलाएगा. ठीक है? Let me give you guys will identify whether this is gonna act as a Hamiltonian graph or not. Take your time, I'm giving you 2 minutes. Identify whether this graph will act as a Hamiltonian graph or not. Hamiltonian graph मानी कि Hamiltonian circuit होनी चाहिए, सारी vertex include होनी चाहिए, that circuit must be closed, सारी vertices include होनी चाहिए, that circuit must be closed मानी कि starting vertex ending vertex same होनी चाहिए. कोई edge छूट भी रही है तो it's fine. सारी edge include करना जरूरी नहीं है.
No sir.
But
नहीं sir,
you
सब
cannot.
include हो रहा है.
Repetition, the restriction is over the vertices even. You cannot repeat any vertex, is it? You cannot repeat any vertex because we are dealing with the circuit. उस definition में पहली बात
Close
की
कैसे
circuit.
करेंगे?
Sorry?
Sir, not possible because
Yeah.
you are ending same नहीं
Vertex
होगा.
Vertex repeat नहीं कर सकते, वो तो restriction है ही है. So this graph is not Hamiltonian graph because there are no Hamiltonian circuit. कोई भी circuit आप लेना चाहे इसमें से. Then suppose one of you is saying like that, sir, A to B, B to C, C to A. ये रही एक circuit. But this circuit is not Hamiltonian circuit because ये सारे vertex को cover नहीं कर रही, is it? यहाँ पे vertex D और E miss हो जा रहे हैं. So it is not, it will, yes, it is a circuit, it is a closed circuit, it is a closed circuit, but it is not Hamiltonian circuit. Hamiltonian circuit क्या है? जिसमें कि starting ending vertex same और सारी vertices cover. Is it? एक छूट जाए, we are good with that. पर इसमें अगर मैं करना चाहूँ आगे बात A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to C, देखिए यहाँ पे C पर वापिस आऊंगा, जो कि allowed नहीं है, जो कि allowed नहीं है. Is it? We cannot repeat a vertex. So this is not a Euler, Hamiltonian graph, sorry. Let me take you further. Hamiltonian path. अब ये भी बहुत आसान सी बात है, देख लीजिए एक बार. I'm not gonna explain this. If we are going to remove any edge from Hamiltonian circuit, then it will be known as a Hamiltonian path. Circuit में से कोई एक भी edge अगर आप निकाल दो ना, then that particular circuit will be converted in path. क्योंकि circuit क्या है? Hamiltonian circuit क्या है? Which includes all the vertices of the graph G of that particular graph, is it? And that is a closed circuit because that is a circuit, तो उसमें starting vertex ending vertex same ही रहेंगे. अब मैं बीच में से कोई एक edge निकाल दूं, removal of any edge, then surely वो circuit नहीं रहने वाली, उसके starting और terminal edges change हो जाएंगे, and such kind of path will be known as a Hamiltonian path. Is it? Hamiltonian path. And the length of Hamiltonian path, always the length of Hamiltonian path, if we are having a graph with n vertices, then the length of Hamiltonian path will be n minus 1. Then and then each and every vertex will be covered. Is it? So length of Hamiltonian path, अगर कोई पूछे कि what will be the length of, I may set a similar kind of question over the midsem examination के provide me the length of Hamiltonian path in a graph where n vertices are there, then your answer must be n minus 1. And it is easy to construct a Hamiltonian circuit in a complete graph. कोई भी complete graph ले लीजिए, उसमें Hamiltonian circuit define करना, construct करना बहुत ही आसान है. Let me show you. This is K5, is it? This is K5. Complete graph with 5 vertices, or you may say this is 4 regular graph even. 4 regular graph. पता है हमको कि n complete graph in n vertices always n minus 1 regular graph. अब यहाँ पे अगर आपको Hamiltonian circuit आइडेंटिफाई करनी है तो हर बार होगा. देखिए सिंपल सी Hamiltonian circuit डिफाइन कर ले हम A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E and E to A. Is it? I had not repeated any of the vertex. Starting and ending vertexes is A और मैं 1 2 3 4 और 5 वर्टाइसेस 5 एजेस इंक्लूड कर रहा हूं. इज इट? नाउ दिस इज हैमिल्टोनियन सर्किट. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट हैमिल्टोनियन पाथ, तो इस सर्किट में से कोई भी एक एज निकाल दीजिए, कोई भी एक एज. देखिए अभी हमने जो बात की वो दैट इज ए E1B, E2C, E3D, E4E and E5A. This is Hamiltonian circuit, is it? अब इसमें से कोई भी एक एज निकाल दीजिए. Suppose I am going to remove this age E5. Now removal of the age will not remove the terminal vertices. उससे terminal vertices remove नहीं होंगे. तो अगर इसको मैं निकाल दूं तो यहां से ये निकल जाएगा, ये निकल जाएगा. Is it? Now it is a Hamiltonian path because it includes each and every vertex. देखिए A, B, C, D, E सारी include हो रही है. Is it? And if you talk about, if you identify the length of this walk, then 1 2 3 4. अगर किसी की लेंथ आइडेंटिफाई करनी है तो उसमें कितनी एजेस से वो आइडेंटिफाई करनी है. Is it? ये कंप्लीट ग्राफ है 5 वर्टेक्स के साथ, तो इसमें नंबर ऑफ वर्टाइसेस आर 5 वर्टाइसेस आर देयर एंड लेंथ ऑफ दिस हैमिल्टोनियन पाथ इज 4. लेंथ क्या है इसकी? 4. तो सिमिलर वे आई हैड डिफाइन ओवर देयर with a graph with n vertices, उसमें जो हैमिल्टोनियन पाथ होगा उसकी लेंथ होगी n-1. That's it? एंड कोई भी कंप्लीट ग्राफ में हैमिल्टोनियन सर्किट आइडेंटिफाई करनी बहुत ही आसान है, बहुत ही आसान है. What's the time? This graph is known as a Peterson graph, पर यहां से हम सेक्शन में जाएंगे. कितना बजा देखो तो भाई, एक
9:55.
चेक करने दो. It's 9:57 already. Let me stop the recording. 9